So today I'm going to show you 4 types of shears or cutting devices. This one's a standard issue Lister shears. This is what you typically find in a first aid kit. Here we have the same type of shears. This one's made by North American Rescue. It's got a non-stick coating and it's got a rubber lining here. And we have the Leatherman Raptor, a bit more expensive. It's the same type of shears as the other ones, but this got a wire cutter as well, or a ring cutter. It's got a belt cutter, an oxygen tank wrench, and it's got a glass breaker over there. And it's foldable, so you can fold it like so. And it's also got this belt clip there. It also comes with a sheath. And over here we have the S-Cut XCE. It's got a rotating disc. It's really sharp. And the idea is that as the disc gets dull, the friction will rotate the disc, so a new surface will emerge. It's made of aluminum. I'm going to use these for shears and cutting devices to cut some different types of fabrics. Okay, first up is a regular t-shirt. Standard issue Lister shears. Well, you gotta hold it in a certain way to make it cut. Not very impressive. This one works better. Works like a charm. And the S-Cut just rips through. Okay, so we got a pair of black pants, the same type used by most construction workers. And the standard shears just won't cut it. And this one's brand new, so this one works fine. And the same with the Raptor. And this just rips through in a jiffy. Here we have a nylon belt, leather belt, fire hose, and this is a padded tool belt. This one just bends. Raptor. This tends to curve. Doesn't work at all. so, maybe. No. Nice little curve there. This is, well, there's no point. Takes some time, but it gets through. This is really tough. Gotta use my both hands just to press through. I guess the thinner shear just makes it easier. And I'm gonna try to just well, just don't cut through. Here we have chainsaw trousers. There are some lining here. I believe it's threads going upwards along the leg. Doesn't work at all. Works just fine. Works fine as well. There we go. Now I'm gonna try to cut through a bulletproof vest. This one's out of date on the panel, and this is the specs. I don't really see the point of trying this one, but well, doesn't even harm the cover. This one actually gets through, but stops just about a pair of centimeters or so. And it's the same with this one. It stops, but it goes through all the layers. And the S-cut just won't cut through this at all. No. Okay, I hope I've given you a better idea of how they all work. The basic standard issue Lister shears, I really urge you to take a look in your first aid kit. If you have one of these, you should simply throw it away and buy a better one, because these just won't cut through a t-shirt. It's no good. The same type of shears as the Lister shear. This one's from North American Rescue. I was actually impressed with this one because it's the same design, the same thickness of the steel, but this one is really much better, and it's not that expensive. It's much better than the standard issue, and it cuts, well, basically as good as the Raptor, or even better actually. So this is really worth the money. This was the most expensive shears in this test. It's versatile, and you can cut through, well, almost everything, and it's got the belt cutter and, well, glass breaker and the wrench and the ring cutter there. Didn't try those functions out in this test. There are plenty of other tests on YouTube you can check out. And we have the S-cut. Well, it cut through t-shirts, the chainsaw trousers, and, well, the belts. Didn't really handle those thick materials that well. It's a really nice tool, and it cuts really fast. So there's a lot of YouTube clips out there where you can watch this one just cut through a motorcycle clothing, and it cuts really fast, but it won't handle those really thick belts, tool belts and such. So this is a really good tool, but probably you should combine it with like a garden shears or something for those thick materials. There's a cheaper version of the same tool. This one's made out of plastic, and you can't really change the surface. Well, it rotates just as the other one. You can see this. There you go. But it's single use. Once you used up the whole disc, you just throw it away. But it's a lot cheaper. So this could actually be a good option if you just want a first aid kit in your car or something. This is a bit cheaper. So, thank you for watching.